welcome to my channel. My name is Ellie, and as you can see, we are in my kitchen, and today we're gonna do the cake flan. Now, for the cake flan, you will need the following ingredients. Let me show it to you. You will need 8 eggs, 1 can of condensed milk, 1 can of evaporated milk, some caramel. You can make the caramel, but I'm using this one. 1 cup of water, 1.5 cup of oil, vegetable oil, baking spray. I'm using this cake mix box. It's easier for me. You can make your own if you would like with flour and things like that, but I'm using already this one and it's already made, and aluminum foil. Now, if you want to know how you can do this, please just keep watching. Now we're gonna do the cake. For the cake, you will need a large bowl, the cake mix, half a cup of vegetable oil, a cup of water, 3 eggs, and the mixer. For our flan, you will need a medium-sized bowl, a can of condensed milk, a can of evaporated milk, the 5 eggs, and the mixer. All prepared and the flan all prepared. Now we're gonna put it all together. For that, you're gonna need, I'm using this bowl. You can use any bowl you will like. I like this one because of the shape. And then you're gonna put baking spray, like dessert baking spray, and caramel in all the area. And then we're gonna place our cake mix and then the flan in top, and I will show you how you need to do it. now we're gonna put it all together to put it in the oven. I have my oven preheated in 375 Fahrenheit. And I have also this container that it has water, so our flan and panatella, our flan and cake mix doesn't get burned. So now we're gonna get aluminum foil, spray it with some baking spray, and put it in the top. And then we're gonna put our panatella in top of our water and put it in the oven. An hour and a half already passed, and this is how our panatella is looking. As you can see now, we're gonna remove this. Let the panatella sit for a little bit. So right now I'm going to change the water that it has, and I'm going to put cold water, and I'm going to leave it for 3 to 4 hours, chill there, and then I will put it in the fridge, and then I will show you how it looks like when it's done. Okay, my panatella rests in the fridge for 4 hours or 3.5, around there. You can leave it more. I'm just doing it faster so we can finish with this. And then I flip it in this container, and I'm going to show you how it looks like.